Incentive compensation management comes down to figuring out how much each payee should get paid on each of their orders. But there's a precursor to that, knowing which orders belong to which payee in the first place, and you can't run a single calculation until that's answered. And more often than not, it's a hard question for organizations to answer. Who gets paid for the order? What makes it hard is the number of moving parts, territory management and spreadsheets, a CRM, and ERP, a separate incentive system. All of them holding a piece of the answer, none of them agreeing on it. So certainly there's a loss of efficiency there, but you also lose trust and auditability, because with that many systems in play, no one can trace where credit actually came from. In infinitySPM, we treat credit assignment as a critical part of the SPM system, not as an afterthought. And we can do that because we are already the system of record for territory definitions. Think about what's on an order. There's always something that identifies it to our payee. The zip code, the location, the account. Maybe it's the industry, or some sort of combination of attributes on the transaction. Matching those attributes to a payee is work that's already been done. That's exactly what a territory definition is. So by definition, it stores which attributes belong to which territory, and therefore, which payee. So if we go back to our territory models, matching those attributes to a payee is work that's already been done. That's exactly what a territory definition is. If you look at this particular territory, this territory has a number of accounts assigned to it. That's the process of doing credit assignment. And here's where it's become powerful. Because infinitySPM manages the territory definitions, as orders are processed, everything can stay in sync. Maybe somebody is on a leave of absence. Definitions are changing. Zip codes get moved around. These changes take effect immediately. So when we run this credit calculation process, which can be fully automated, it reads the current territory definitions and stamps each order accordingly. That credited result flows straight into the incentive side of the system. So instead of manual assignment and manual synchronization across systems, the whole thing is automated. And any errors and effort that come along with that credit assignment process are avoided with a unified system in infinitySPM.